Anahaw Accommodation in ElNido for today, and we'll see you after that. Here we are, just checking into Anahaw, and we've got a nice little poolside villa, which is good. Got a little outdoor table, a couple of deck chairs over here. Got a very helpful host. We've got our hanging rack out here too, which we finally found. Okay, then in here we've got a nice king size bed, a bar fridge, TV, aircon, a fan, little desk here. And what have we got in here? We've got a safe. And a nice big shower. Separate toilet, basin. Good design.
Yes.
Nice place.